Khorne berserkers, also called Khorne berserkers, are Chaos Space Marines dedicated to glorifying the Chaos God Khorne through brutal melee combat. Driven solely by their raging desire to spill blood and take lives, a berserker's sole purpose in life is to destroy their enemies in the name of the Blood God, and take life in the most brutal and barbaric fashion imaginable. Berserkers refuse to use most forms of ranged weaponry and usually make almost exclusive use of close combat melee weapons, in particular the chain axe, as the axe is the favoured weapon of Khorne. However, Khorne berserkers will use any weapon they can get their hands on, even their own bodies, as long as they continue to engage in bloodshed. The first Khorne berserkers amongst mankind emerged from the gruesome experiments of Angron, the Primarch of the World Eaters Legion. Upon taking control of the 12th Space Marine Legion, the bloody-handed Primarch enacted many changes. Knowing how successful his own cordial implants were at boasting a warrior's prowess in battle, Angron ordered his apothecarian to insert the same butcher's nails implants within every Astartes of the World Eaters Legion to enhance aggression and pain tolerance far beyond that which even the gene-engineered flesh of a member of the Space Marine Legions was capable. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.